Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the articles. Articles means a and the. These are articles where we have to use a and the. So this class we are going to learn this. Read the following sentences from the story. It was a bright day in summer. A green little grasshopper was hopping about merrily in a field. Soon it saw an ant passing by. So here see a bright day. This is only one day. We can count day. A grasshopper, field, and everything. So if it is a singular thing, we should use a. We should use only one thing, singular thing. We can count days, grasshoppers, fields, and ants. If we talk of one day or one grasshopper or one field or one ant, we use a or an before the word. I said no. When we talk about a singular thing, we should use a or an. Example, a day, a grasshopper, a field, an ant. Where should we use an? If the word begins with the sounds A, E, I, O, U, we use an before the word. If the naming word start with vowel letter, with A, E, I, O, U, we should use an. The remaining we should use a. Examples, an ant, an apple, an egg, an elephant, an inkpot, an owl, an oar, an umbrella. These naming words all start with the vowel letters. So we used an. If the word begins with the sounds of other letters, we use a before the word. Except these vowel letters, we can use a. Example, grasshopper, a grasshopper, a day, a grain, a field, a book, a pencil. Remember, we use a or an when the item is one. I said, if the thing is singular, we can use a or an. A we should use for the consonants and the an we should use only for vowels. Next, write a or an before each word. Dash, door. Door, D is a consonant, so we can use small a door. Dash, orange. Orange, O is a vowel letter, so we can use an orange. Dash, ice cube. I is a vowel letter, so an ice cube. Then dash, bag. Bag, B is a consonant, so we can use a. The next one, the. We are going to see where we have to use the. Read the following sentences. I have a bag. The bag is green. Barry met a man. The man was his neighbor. Akriti has a dog. The dog's name is Coco. Here, when we talk, if we talk about one thing, we can use a. And next also we are talking about the same thing, we can use the. Here a bag, the next sentence it change into the bag. If we talk about the first time, we can use a. If we talk about the same thing repeatedly, we can use the. When we talk of some person, animal or thing for the first time in a story, we use a or an. When we talk of the same person, animal or thing later, we use the. When we know which person or animal or thing we are talking about, we use the. We use the for both one and many, not alone for singular and plural. For both we can use the. And the next rule also, when we know what is the thing we are talking about, also we can use the. Examples: the ants happily ate the corn and grain. The grasshopper sang without a care in the world. We all know what world is, so we say the world. We know already what is world, isn't it? So we can use the. Also, we all know that there is only one sun and one moon. For the whole world, there is only one sun and one moon. So we say the sun, the moon, etc. When we have the only one thing for the whole world, also we can use the. The moon, the sun, the stars, the Taj Mahal, the Meenakshi temple, like that. So this is your page. This is enough. Again one time you recall what we learned, where we have to use the a and the. A and we should use only for singular thing, and we should use before vowels, and we should use before consonants, and the. When we talk about the same person or thing in a story, or what we are talking about, we can use the. And more than that, if there is only one thing in the whole world, we can use the. Thank you.